Hello YouTube, is that Game Tamer here, and I want to thank you guys for helping me hit 3,000 subscribers. It really means a lot. Also, I want to say I'm going to focus on this channel more soon, so I won't be only uploading tutorials. There will be gameplays, top 10, also we'll probably do some fails. There's going to be a lot more content I've been working on. But anyways, this is the Thor mod. This was requested, and this mod is amazing. You guys should try it out. I recommend. But anyways, what you want to do first is download the files needed. If you look down below and check the description, you should see all the download links, so don't forget to check out the description. Okay, what you'll be needing is Thor Ragnarok, and then Thor Asgard pack. Also, the Thor script. Make sure you download the current version right here, 1.0.1. We will need add-on peds, scriptocv, scriptocv.net, Lua plugin, native UI, and OpenIV. So let me show you guys how to install OpenIV. Open up the setup, press continue, read the terms, they're pretty basic, accept, then press continue. Make sure create desktop icon is selected, then click run OpenIV after installation, press continue. I already have it, so I'm not gonna click yes, but if you don't have it, press yes, and once you press yes, it should be simple. So I'm gonna click no, so since I already have it. Okay, now we can continue. So now what you want to do is let OpenIV install and stuff. While it's doing that, open up your main directory, right click, new folder, and then name this folder mods, and then just copy your update folder and paste it into your mods folder. This should take a while. Alright, so now what you want to do, once your update folder is done pasting into your mods folder, let's start with the main components. So like scriptocv. So open up the scriptocv download and click the bin folder. Select scriptocv.dll and input8.dll. Drag them into your main directory. I already have them, so I'm just gonna click replace. Okay, next, look for scriptocv.net. Alright, for this one, what you want to do, select scriptocv.net.asi, scriptocv.net2.dll, and scriptocv.net2.xml. Just drag these into your main directory. Okay, now we want... So, just open up the Lua download, select these two files, your scripts folder and lua.asi, drag it into your main directory. Alright, so now we are left with add-on peds, the Thor script, and the Thor Asgard pack and Ragnarok. So we're going to start with the Thor script. So what you want to do is click your scripts folder and click your scripts folder in here. Alright, just select all these files and drag them into your scripts folder. I already have it, so I'm just gonna click replace. It's really not gonna do anything. Alright, now just minimize this because we still need to install the Thor's hammer, so let's just minimize this. Okay, now open up add-on peds. Click add-on peds. Okay, now open up the readme. Alright, just minimize this. Alright, click your scripts folder. Drag pedselector.dll into your scripts folder. I already have it, so I'm just gonna click replace. Alright, now go back to your main directory. Click your mods folder. Update x64 DLC packs. And then click DLC packs here. Drag the add-on peds folder into here. Okay, now what we want to do is go back to our main directory. Just right click new folder and just name it add-on ped. Alright, and then we are going to drag add-on peds editor and add-on peds vars.xml we are going to drag these two files into this new folder we created. Okay, we can X this out. Now what we want to do is open up OpenIV. Alright, once OpenIV is up and running, click Tools, ASI Manager, and make sure you have ASI Loader, OpenIV.asi, and Open Camera installed. These are important components too. Alright, now click Edit Mode and click your mods folder, Updates, x64, DLC Packs, Add-on Peds, DLC.rpf, Peds.rpf. Make sure you're in Edit Mode. Alright, let's start with Ragnarok. Just select all the files in here and drag them into your peds.rpf. We can X this out. Now let's go to Thor Asgard. So all you want to do basically is select all of these files. So the YTD, YMT, YFT, and YDD. Do not select the folders. Just drag these into your peds.rpf. Alright, so here is Loki's staff. Also, here's Thor's hammer. So if you want to know the location of those, just open up, let's go to Thor Asgard pack, I believe, and it should tell you here. So we can put the weapons in one of these, but it works for patch day 3NG. If it doesn't work for patch day 3NG, just put it in patch day 8NG. So I'm going to use, we can either use the Thor's hammer, this one, the one in the scripts folder, but I'm not going to use that one. But if you want to, you can use that one. I'm going to use the hammer in this one. So, okay, let me show you guys how to install the hammer and Loki's staff. So just go to mods, update, x64, DLC packs, patch day 3NG, DLC.rpf, x64, models, CD images, weapons.rpf. Make sure you're in edit mode. Click Thor's hammer. Okay, just select the two files in here and drag them into here. Alright, now click Loki's staff. Same thing, just select the files in here and drag them into here. Okay, so we have successfully installed that. And all we have to do now basically is, let's see, we have to open up add-on peds editor. So you can X this out. So now go back to your mods, update x64 DLC packs, add-on peds, DLC.rpf, peds.rpf. Keep this open. Let's minimize this. Open up your main directory, click the add-on ped folder, and right click on add-on peds editor, click run as admin, press yes. Alright, so once add-on peds editor is up and running, all you want to do is right click, let's start with Loki's Avengers. So just right click this file, click rename, and just copy the file name. Then go to add-on peds editor, go to peds, new ped, and just paste the model name. Alright, and then ped type is male, is streamed is false, and then click add ped. Make sure you click rebuild. Alright, now let's install Odin. So click the file name, rename, copy, then go to peds, new ped, model name, paste, ped type male, is stream is false, add ped, rebuild. Now we have Ragnarok. Right click the file name, rename, copy, and then go to peds, new ped, ped model name, just paste the model name, ped type is male, is stream is false. Okay, then add ped, rebuild. Alright, now we have Thor Age of Ultron, so just click rename, copy, and then go to peds, new ped, paste the model name. The reason I'm doing this is because the model name has to be the file name. It's the exact file name without the dot. So as you guys can see, this is Thor, and there's parentheses, Age of Ultron, and Thor's in caps, Age is in caps, of is in caps, Ultron is in caps. The first letter of each is in caps, I mean. So it is case sensitive, so it's easier just to copy the file name and just paste it. Alright, ped type is male, stream is false, and then add ped, rebuild. Alright, now we have Thor Avengers. Just click the file and rename, copy, then go to peds, new ped model name, paste Thor Avengers, ped type is male, stream is false, add ped, rebuild. And I believe that's it. Alright, so now what we have to do is go to mods, update.rpf, common, data. You should see DLC list.xml. Drag that to your desktop. I already have it, but still I'm gonna drag it to my desktop. And then open up the add-on peds readme. You should see this line here. Item DLC packs add-on peds / item. Copy that. Alright. Open our DLC list with notepad. So right click, open with notepad. Scroll down to the bottom. Press enter and paste this line. And then save. And then redrag this into our OpenIV. Alright. We have successfully installed the Thor mod. All we have to do is start up GTA. Okay, so once you open up Grand Theft Auto, what you want to do is press L. And then you should press enter and just scroll. As you guys can see, the mod is working. There's Odin. Also, there's Ragnarok Thor. Thor Age of Ultron right there, and then Thor Avengers. Okay, so you can select any of them. I'm going to select Ragnarok. And now what you want to do basically is press F10. And then you should see the Thor script right there. And just go to default player. And then just enable player powers.
Whosoever holds of this hammer, if he be worthy, shall possess the power of Thor.
Alright, so if you click, I believe it's... Oops. E is to pick up stuff. Alright, so if you click T, you can switch specials. So there's Storm of Asgard. Where's my hammer? So this mod's still in the beta. If your hammer gets lost, just press shift and space, which is to fly. Alright, so there's the hammer. If you click R, as you guys can see, I am 1% to achieving my full power. And just hold your right mouse and left mouse at the same time. The controls are on the website, the Thor script website. So if you need them, you can check the website. To throw your hammer, just right click and then press X. R to call back your hammer. Also, to switch specials again, just press T. There's God Blast right here. Alright, let's switch to lightning bolts. I'm 55% from reaching my special. So as you guys can see, you can cause a lot of havoc with this mod. And it's so interesting. Like, it's an awesome mod. So let's see. Let's do Storm of Asgard again. Alright, so the Odin Force awaits. The Odin Force is your full, like, ultimate power. So you just click R 2 times. And anything next to you just gets hit with lightning. And it's amazing. But anyways, as you guys can see, the mod works. Thank you for watching the video, and if this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, if you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comment section below. I'll try to check them, and I'll try to help you guys out with any problems. Thank you guys for watching.